Hey, Wendy Patton here. Now we are living in Arizona for the winter and Michigan for the summer on the lake. But we go back and forth every month because if we're in Michigan in the winter, in the summer, then we come to Arizona to see our grandkids here and check on business. And then if I'm in Arizona, I go to Michigan for the Michigan Real Estate Investors Group and to see all of my peeps there because I love them very much. Anyways, I just was sitting here by the pool today and thinking how fortunate, I am to have this opportunity to do this, my husband and myself. And I thought back over my career of investing and, there was a lot of really hard times. I started when I was young, I was broke, and we were very conservative. We really saved our money. We were very careful. We invested as we made a lot of money. We continued to invest in new real estate and business opportunities and just tried to continue living a fairly conservative lifestyle. Not that we squeezed ourselves so much that we can never enjoy anything because that's no fun either. You have to, let me give you an example. So let's say we made like 40 grand on a flip. Well, we're not going to spend 40 grand. We're going to, maybe spend 3, 4, 5 grand and do something fun. Maybe we want a smaller trip, and then maybe after we did 2 or 3 of those, we might go on a nicer trip. But we continue to plow most of the money back into, of course, taxes, the inevitable tithing, and then also then reinvestment. So we, over the years, and if you invested and you have, a good return going with your money, then it starts to double over time, double and double and double. And then you get to the point where it's like, wow, I didn't really realize it because it's like slowly, fast. And then you have an opportunity to do anything that you want in your life. So just want to encourage you to, stick by it and do your investments, but be very, be conservative and don't change your lifestyle just because you start making a lot more money. You change your lifestyle when all the money is there and you don't have to work anymore. That's pretty much what we have lived by, and it's done very well for us, and we're still fairly conservative. We didn't change much on how we spend, but we don't think about spending anymore, meaning if we want to get something, we do get it, or we want to spend more on a nice dinner out, we don't think about it. So I just want to encourage you to keep going on this investing route. It is the way to future financial freedom. So have a wonderful day.